YouTube, what up? It's your boy C-Time. Here, guy.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yo, as you can see, yeah, I got the Pop Smoke braids in. I'm definitely digging these Pop Smokes only because my hair is a little bit longer and they look hell of a lot better than when my hair was shorter. So with the hair coming in, the Pop Smoke braids are looking a whole lot better. You know what I'm saying? They're definitely looking way better than they did when I was, when I had short hair. Let's see, 360 real quick. Let's see if I can see it. But the Pop Smoke braids look way better with it when my hair is longer. So definitely loving the style right now. Yeah, man. Things are looking good. I just want to do a quick video before I go get ready for work so I can show y'all the braids. We're gonna try to keep these in for at least 3 weeks. Try to keep these things nice for 3 weeks if we can, then on it, man. Definitely gonna do this style again because my hair is getting longer, and once it gets longer it's gonna look even better. I like Pop Smoke braids when they're on long hair. I mean, I liked it when they were short, but they look way better on long hair. Like, I want my hair to get, low. Then they really gonna be swinging. But right now, I mean, medium hair, medium to long, they look good, man. Even after the trim, my hair looking good with these things. Hang time, finally hanging down the back a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Hanging down the back just a little bit. Ain't like nothing crazy, but it's there though. It's there. So. Yeah, that's it, y'all. I'm gonna get off here. I gotta get ready for work. I just want to do a quick video. Keep growing, keep going. God bless. Peace.